Y'all see this old damper coming off? That's because we got that brand new Fluidampr to go on. This one coming off. All right, so this is a brand new Fluidampr damper for a 2JZ. Very great company to work with. Oh, man, real good packaging too. Egg tray. Oh yeah, t-shirt. This was actually our very first partner on the Grand National bill. So, now we're gonna put this up. But huge shout out to Fluidampr. They're gonna keep all of our harmonics balanced in this 2JZ motor. So, all right, so this is the part number for a 2JZ damper. And then this is the Fluidampr. So y'all saw how crusty and dusty the stock one was. Look at that. Looks perfect. Got your timer marks. Oh yeah, this is a very neat part. For all of y'all that's building 2JZ motors for street cars, drift cars, drag cars, run a Fluidampr for your harmonic balancer. What's going on, family? So what we got right here is the 2JZ motor for the Grand National. So what we got is, I'm actually about to disassemble this motor and it's about to get ready to go to the machine shop because I got billet main caps that have to get line honed, and I also have moly forged pistons that's going in it. So I want to get my cylinders checked. So huge shout out to Molly. We're gonna do their unboxing and individual video here shortly. But yeah, this motor is about to get broke down, and this is what's going in the 2026 SEMA build, which is the Grand National. So as you can see, I'm at home. So this is getting, you know, fully built at home, kind of to show everybody that, you know, you can put one of these real expensive cars, SEMA build quality cars together at home in a garage with normal tools that your average everyday mechanic will have. So this is a very out of the box build, but y'all gonna come along. We shooting for 1200 horse to the tire on this car, drag and drive build. It's also gonna feature the trim it 6-speed manual transmission. So yeah, y'all continue to follow along.
I'm not knowing where the fuck my battery at. I done looked in the fucking engine, the trunk. Why the fuck would y'all put the battery under the passenger side seat? You can't even fucking do nothing.
Let me take that off first. This got to be like a freshly rebuilt motor. It's brand new. It's like zero wear in that rod bearing.
But now you're gonna build it again.
Yeah, it's getting fully built this time. You treat me so bad. Won't you Why you treat me so bad? Bow. It's a shame the way we do really beefy main cap. That's the thrust washers. Bare block. Finna get some billet main caps, get the crank polished, get the cylinders home, get the block hot tanked. And then we're gonna get this joker back in about 3 weeks and start the reassembly process. Y'all see it. This finna be a good 1,200 horsepower to the tie. I'm gonna make sure that I've been doing my research. We're gonna make sure this joker get 1,200. We finna put a cage, parachute on the back. Joker finna be a real race car. Yes, sir. Table full of stuff. Majority of this old stuff not going back, by the way. Get these motor mounts off, cause I'm finna make my own for that Grand National. So yes, sir.